automation of the operational part. What are your thoughts on that in terms of platform softwares to use right now that you might recommend?
Sure. So there's a platform that we use quite successfully is called Jobber, Jobber. Originally, when we started using them, they were only set up for residential cleaning, but they have expanded the capabilities of the platform quite a lot to offer janitorial service or commercial cleaning as well. That will help with things like scheduling, so calendar management. It'll help with route tracking, which probably won't be that necessary for commercial cleaning. That's more for sort of tenancy cleans or volume deep cleans. But you will also be able to check staff times in and out, which will work in terms of payroll. So you can manage timings a lot better and make sure that pay is accurate rather than paying people. I don't know what the payment system is set up like, but if you pay them by the half hour, 15 minutes, hours worth of cleaning, then having accurate times as to when they check in and out of site is going to be useful. It provides reporting to the client as well, so they can see when cleans are made, if they're missed, why they were missed, and because staff would need to log reasons as to why cleans were missed or why they were unable to clean something in particular. It will also help with, there is invoicing capability, but if you're already using Xero, that really won't be as necessary. You can set up checklists for site and start developing site manuals as well, which is going to be super useful because you can use that as a quality assurance tool for your clients. I'm pretty sure the contracts manager, I think the guy who has FM experience, is going to be well versed in this. So to have some sort of digital record as to the cleaning that is carried out every day, every week, on a monthly basis, on a quarterly basis, and all the addition, what the schedule of deep cleaning is per facility as well. You'll need to have all of your health and safety documents, which you can digitize. So risk assessment, your control of substances hazardous to health, all of those sorts of statements, you can digitize all that